Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to hide text bar in your Windows 10 PC. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be had Windows 10 PC or laptop and you are wondering how to hide a Windows 10 PC or laptop text bar. In order to do that, you can just simply bring your mouse right over the text bar and right click over there, and then you're going to find here something say text bar setting. After click over text bar setting, you're going to see a screen appear just like this. From here, if I make here automatically hide the text bar in desktop mode, and we're going to see right now in my laptop there is a not appear text bar that's going to be automatically hide. If I bringing my mouse button, and that's going to be preview. If I go back my mouse top, that's going to be automatically hide. This is very quite interesting. Also, you can automatically hide the text bar in table mode. So if you decide to hide text bar, you can just simply follow with this trick. Also, you can use a small text bar button. What that does means you can see the text bar icon is appear too small. If you decide to make as a default, it's going to be appear this icon. Also, you can make the text bar too large if you decide. Also, you can if you decide to unhide text bar, you can just simply turn this off. Also in here text bar setting, we can see something say text bar location on the screen, which is currently in bottom, which is the default. If you decide to bring it top, you can just click top, it will text bar going to be appear in the top side. If you decide to bring in right side, that's going to be appear in right side. If you decide to bring it left side, that's going to be appear in the left side. Also, you can just as you like, you can easily follow with this. Let me make it as a default, and let me make it bottom. So in this way, if you decide to hide text bar in your Windows 10 PC, just simply follow this way. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.